Imagine being fully conscious and aware of everything happening around you, but unable to move, speak, or even breathe without help. This is the terrifying reality of paralysis, which is a condition that traps millions in their own bodies. Each year, nearly 6 million people around the world suffer some form of paralysis, and the numbers are rising. Whether from trauma, disease, or genetic conditions, paralysis can strike without warning, transforming a person's life in an instant. Paralysis happens when the connection between the brain and body is severed. The spinal cord, which carries electrical signals from the brain to muscles, is damaged, and the result is nothing short of catastrophic. A stroke, which is a spinal cord injury, can suddenly leave someone unable to move their arms or legs, sometimes even unable to breathe on their own. Every second counts when someone is suffering from paralysis, and yet many don't know how to react, intervene, or how to prevent further damage. In the most severe cases, the person is fully conscious, but completely locked inside their body. This is called locked-in syndrome, and it's as horrific as it sounds. The person's brain is working, and they can think, feel, and hear, but they are completely unable to communicate. Their world becomes a prison. In these cases, the only way to interact with the outside world is through eye movements or blinking. The emotional toll is just as profound, and people with paralysis often suffer from severe depression, anxiety, and isolation. In some cases, people are completely dependent on caregivers for even the most basic functions, like eating, drinking, and using the bathroom. Simple acts of independence are taken away, and the person is left to navigate a world that isn't designed for them. They live in constant pain, battling not just their physical condition, but the mental and emotional strain that comes with it. But there's hope on the horizon. Despite the devastating effects of paralysis, researchers are pushing the boundaries of science every day. Breakthroughs in neurotechnology are allowing people with paralysis to regain movement and communication. Brain-computer interfaces are enabling individuals to control robotic limbs just with their thoughts. The road to a full cure is long, but scientists are working tirelessly to repair damaged spinal cords or regenerate nerve cells, and to unlock the potential of the brain's ability to reorganize and form new connections called neuroplasticity. This is the most promising avenue, but we are still far from reversing paralysis entirely. Paralysis is not just a medical condition, and it's a global health crisis. It affects not only the victim, but their families, communities, and even entire economies. The truth is harsh. Our bodies are fragile. A single accident, illness, or a disease can turn life upside down in an instant. But as alarming as this may sound, it is also a call to action. We need better support systems. We also better research, and a more accessible world for those affected by paralysis. The fight isn't over, and there's still time to turn things around. But we must act, because for those living with paralysis, every moment is a reminder of how quickly life can change, and how much we need to invest in a world that provides both care and hope for those facing it.